is that this is after a very long time that I have seen the level of seriousness in the cabinet about development of Gwadar itself and the area which connects Gwadar with rest of Pakistan and China. Only last week we attended a very special session of National Development Council, which is actually participated by senior members of the cabinet, but then also by the Chief of Army Staff, DG ISI, and CPEC authority as well. So the conclusion was that there has to be a special focus on the development of South Balochistan. This is all under the concept that we have to emphasize on making the port a success, on facilitating development of Gwadar city. Actually, we are working on a new concept of Gwadar Economic District. Currently, a lot of debates are going on about Gwadar Economic District. And this is all in consonance with the development plan conceived by Balochistan government. Balochistan government is currently working on development of Gwadar city. South of Balochistan, right from Gwadar up to Khuzdar city, this entire region is being seen as one complex region, and they're talking of fencing the border with Iran. They're talking of development of roads, development of social sector, schools and health facilities, the markets, the local economy. All of this is being catered for. And the Prime Minister constituted a special committee consisting of a few ministers who even sat down day before yesterday, and we had a great deliberation on what all is needed for development of South Balochistan.